Yeah, so I was saying this is a precursor to self-driving needs to be able to drive really well on local roads. And Autopilot, I've noticed, has become capable of doing it. Still can't stop at stop signs and red lights yet, but it can clearly drive very well on these tight, narrow local roads, even in the rain, these pretty bad conditions. I'm hoping in a upcoming release it will recognize stop signs and just slow the car down to a stop or a red light. Right now you have to have a car in front of you to really have it slow down. And then once it came to a stop, it would just require you to start it up again. I think it would be a nice addition to Autopilot. Got my hands on the wheel, giving a little resistance just to prevent the warning to come up, but it's doing all the steering. It's making all these turns really nice. Pretty big turn here. Wow, it slowed down. That was pretty cool. Oh wow, it's taking that turn. This is a really sharp turn. And I'm taking it at a pretty high speed too. That was nice. That's the best I've ever seen it do. I'm gonna come to a stop sign down here. I'm gonna have to take over. But as you can see, Autopilot's doing great. Really, really nice. I'm going to dial it down. See if we can take this turn. Wow, did. Wanted me to just hold the wheel, but I think it actually took the turn. Not quite sure. I have to stop here. This was the section of road that I drove. Let's see if I can engage it. Okay, so this is the section of road that I drove real fast. I'll dial this down and let's see if it can do it. Got somebody behind me. Really big turn here. Wow, it's doing it. Nice. Let's speed it up a little. Another big turn. I'm going to dial it down a little bit. Wow. It did it. Hugs the right side a little much. But speed up and then slow down here a little bit. It's taking it. Nice. Speed up. So I've been, the new wheel here allows you to adjust your speed. You definitely need to take the turns at the speed limit of the turn or just a little above. Pretty confident it wouldn't handle the turns at too high a speed. Got a little to the right there for a second, but boy, it's really doing well. These are really bad conditions, and it is just kicking butt. Recognize the car. Does recognize cars a little late, but it definitely recognizes them and then slows down. So we're at a red light, and since there was a car in front of us, this works out just fine. It'll start up by itself. Let's see if it can make it across the intersection. It's a pretty long intersection without too great of lines, but wow, look at that. It figured it out. The right side is totally non-visible. Dial this down. We got a big turn coming up here. Slowed it down really bad. I had to take over. The road was just not marked at all. That was pretty bad. So, okay, thanks everyone. Thanks again for watching. My videos for the Model 3 are here in the top right. My son's channel, The Nerd Writer, is in the top left. Check him out. He's got some really good videos. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.